Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Whoop 4, 0 for the first time. First, ensure your Whoop 4, 0 is fully charged, which typically takes about 90 minutes. Next, download the Whoop app from your app store and create your personal profile. Securely attach the sensor to your wrist or bicep, ensuring it's snug but comfortable. For the most accurate baseline data, wear your Whoop consistently for at least 4 days to allow it to calibrate to your unique physiology. Once your Whoop is calibrated, you'll begin to see meaningful data. Your strain score, on a scale of 0 to 21, quantifies your daily cardiovascular load. The recovery score, expressed as a percentage, reveals how ready your body is for the next challenge. Pay close attention to your sleep performance, which details sleep stages and efficiency. Over time, observing trends in your heart rate variability and resting heart rate will provide valuable insights into your overall health. To truly optimize your performance, use your Whoop data proactively. If your recovery is low, consider a lighter workout or prioritize rest. The sleep coach will recommend a personalized bedtime to help you achieve ideal sleep, often around 7 to 9 hours. Logging behaviors such as alcohol consumption or meditation helps you understand their direct effects on your metrics. Set realistic goals for your daily strain and recovery to guide your training and lifestyle choices effectively. Beyond the basics, Whoop offers powerful advanced features. The journal allows you to log specific behaviors, like hydration or travel, and see their correlation with your recovery and sleep. Engage with the Whoop community for motivation and shared experiences. Remember, consistent wear, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, is crucial for the most accurate and comprehensive data. Regularly reviewing your weekly and monthly reports will reveal long-term trends, helping you make informed decisions about your health and fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.